Hey guys, welcome to Tips and Tricks number 22. Today we're going to be looking at a fun trick you can do with Disruptor. Disruptor has an extremely powerful skill by the name of Glimpse. Glimpse will send any enemy back to where they were 4 seconds ago. The fact that it is 4 seconds is great, as you can actually glimpse heroes back to wherever they were before when they TP into a tower. When you see someone TP in, be sure to get into range, and as soon as they appear, just glimpse them back. It's really that easy. This is something that you should always try to do, because not only is it quite hilarious, but it is actually very useful for your team. Let's look at an example. Here, me and Nightstalker are tower diving this Witch Doctor. I see that the Lina is TPing in, so I get into position, trap her so she can't burst down the Nightstalker, and then glimpse her back. We get the kill, waste Lina's TP, and stay alive because of the good usage of Glimpse.